ओके, जय श्री गुरु महाराज की जय। हरि बोल, हरे कृष्णा। जय ओम विष्णुपाद जगत गुरु श्रील भक्ति सुंदर गोविंद देव गोसाई महाराज की जय। विश्व वरेण्य श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय। ओम विष्णुपाद जगत गुरु श्रील भक्ति रक्त देव गोसाई महाराज की जय। जय। ऑल द assembled devotees की जय। ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड devotees की जय। श्री चैतन्य सरस्वती मठ की जय। समागत श्री गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। जय श्री रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी की जय। रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी इज द फेस्टिवल्स पानिहाटी महामहोत्सव की जय। श्री राधादी महामहोत्सव की जय। दंड महोत्सव की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। समागत श्री गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। जय। दंड महोत्सव की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। Okay. By the mercy of Gurudev, today I was very busy from morning. I went many places for my service. Too many devotees' house I went today, 4 or 5 devotees' house. I have some job there and so much official job also. Then I am thinking 3 o'clock from Park Street I am thinking no, I will not go back to Damdam Park now. I will go to Panihati because every year I am going for distributing prasadam and distributing so many books. All the devotees are going there making big festival, and this year not any festival, not crowded, foolish always allowed not to allow anything. But I am thinking only I pay obeisance to Gaura Nitai, their deities. And I go there in the bank of the Ganges and pay obeisance to Gaura Nitai and went to the Raghav Pandit house, and Raghav Pandit deity is there, and Madhavi Devi also preparing so many things for Mahaprabhu when go to Rath Yatra. And I pay obeisance to the Samadhi of Raghav Pandit and came back 1 hour before. All day was busy. Then I told morning that I will give program today, all the devotees I will see, because this is the important day that is for the devotees. Nityananda's mercy. It is Gurudev's mercy, non-different from Gurudev's mercy. That is necessary, because Das Goswami Prabhu, without Nityananda's mercy, he did not get service to Mahaprabhu. He did not get reach to Mahaprabhu without Nityananda's mercy. This is the example for our life, and for that we are very much remembering this day, very important day. We are remembering all the devotees in this day. Every year, small or big, we have to make some little flat rice and mango, banana, other fruits, and like chira, flat rice, and we have to give offering to the deities and takes little prasadam from there. And this is Danda Mahotsav. Danda means punishment. It is Raghunath Das Goswami got punishment from Nityananda Prabhu. We are telling Danda Mahotsav, everybody telling Danda Mahotsav. Its punishment means it is the mercy from Nityananda Prabhu. It is not actual punishment, this is the mercy from Nityananda Prabhu. But Nityananda Prabhu told to Raghunath, I chora I. Actually, chora means chor, thief. What he is stolen, Raghunath Goswami, Nityananda Prabhu told Raghunath Goswami chora means something stolen or hiding. What he did, actually, Raghunath Das Goswami, first he wanted to go direct to Mahaprabhu, and again he going, but he cannot escape. So many problems, so many bondages came, because his family does not allow to stay and become a sannyasi or become a sadhu. Because there are big family, there are very rich family, Jamidar family, and only young son is there. After that, father, uncle died, and he will be the landlord, he will be the king that area. For that his parents does not want to be that his son will be the sadhu or going to Vrindavan or anywhere. But they are not agree. Time to times he is going from childhood. When Sriman Mahaprabhu took sannyas and came to Advaita Prabhu's house, Shantipur, and that time his father take him to Raghunath Das Goswami, take him to the Mahaprabhu. And from that time he saw Mahaprabhu and he is too much attached, too much interested to come to Mahaprabhu and stay with him. But his parents not agree, because they are giving so much security, too much people arranging for him. For that, Mahaprabhu also told the Batul Hoyogana not to be crazy. ঘরে ফিরে যাও, go back your home. না করো মর্কট বৈরাগ্য লোক দেখাইয়া. Not to be a বৈরাগ্য is the false renouncement. Like a monkey বৈরাগ্য, উলগু বৈরাগ্য, মর্কট বৈরাগ্য. False renouncement, not showing that বৈরাগ্য to others. ঘরে ফিরে যাও, বাতুল হইও না, না করো মর্কট বৈরাগ্য লোক দেখাইয়া, যথাযোগ্য বিষয়ে ভুঞ্জ অনাসক্ত হইয়া. You can serve the family life and without interest, with disinterested. Family interested, not to showing only, can stay there, then your parents will be the cool, peace. They will not disturb you. One day, you can come back to here. Krishna kripa koriyachen jare, tare ke badiya rakhite pare. Who is giving mercy to anybody? Lord giving mercy to anybody. No one can bind him, no one can tie him, no one can stop him. He will get anyhow, he will get mercy. Further in this way, he was staying in his house. Raghunath Goswami is staying in his house. He also got married, but he has disinterested to his wife also. Not seeing properly, not taking care of anything. Too much disinterested. Under Nityananda Prabhu, because Raghav Pandit in Panihati is Raghav Pandit house, and Raghav Pandit invited Nityananda Prabhu. And Nityananda Prabhu crossing the Ganga, and direct he came to Panihati. Because in the banyan tree, still that banyan tree is there. And that banyan tree is very ancient banyan tree, and he is sitting there. And with some devotees, he came, and he is talking. At the moment, Raghunath Goswami, Das Goswami, he got news, and he got the permission from his father. Father, I can go. I want to meet with Nityananda. And his father is giving permission. Because so many years he was staying in his house, not showing his too much renunciation, not showing so much vairagya, not showing so much. For that, his father not doubt. And he told, yes, you can go, but you can take some people with you. For that he came. horse, everything. And then some devotees told Nityananda, yes, you see that Raghunath is coming. That time, that area, no building, no so many house. And Raghunath, everybody knows Raghunath because his father was too much donor and too much pious people, his father family. Uncle, father, Hiranya Govardhan, that both of them, they are very pious people and they are donated so much and they are helping to the sadhu, they are helping to the poor people. And therefore, that they are famous in that area, Saptagram, Adi Saptagram. In this way, Raghunath Das Goswami, when he is coming and when Nityananda told him, I will give you punishment. And Raghunath Goswami paid obeisance, full dandavat to him. And Raghunath Goswami asking Prabhu, what is my punishment? Tell me. What is the punishment? He told, there are so many sadhu here with me, and you can give some prasadam to them. What prasadam? Flat rice, yogurt, sugar, so many kinds of fruits. Now mango season, mango, leeches, jackfruit. There are so many this kind of season now. This is season of the fruit season, mango season. And then in this you can feed them. And Raghunath Goswami is very happy. He told Prabhu, this is not for me punishment, it is mercy. Okay, I am agree. And he started. And thousands and thousands of people came that time from there. And so many shops selling temporary, they are selling sugars and sweets, flat rice, yogurt, so many. And he is buying and everybody is helping him. They are distributing and offering the bhog. And to bhog Nityananda and Gauranga, and Nityananda calling Gauranga. But no one can see. Gauranga also came to see that festival. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also came, but no one can see that. Who is the fortunate soul? They can see. And they are offering the bhog, Nitai Gaur, and Nityananda will take, and everybody takes prasadam. And everybody is very happy for that. This is Raghunath Das Goswami, and he make the big festival. After that, so many people and everybody is in the bank of the Ganges, everybody coming to the Ganges water, in the half of the, like this water, this size water, and they are asking the prasadam. So much people, so many people. So many people. Oh, you say the photo also. There are how many people, how many lakhs of people, how many 100, 200,000, 300,000 people. That is a very small place, but so many people coming that festival. And that time also so many people came. And then festival finished, and Raghunath Das Goswami pay obeisance to Nityananda Prabhu, and Nityananda Prabhu told, now you can go. He put his leg on his head. Mathar upare pa rakhlo. He put his leg on his head. Mother Bhagavad, you must go now. And after that, anyhow, that's some in Durga Puja time, and after that, 1 2 months he got the chance to left his house, to leave this house, his family house, and meet with Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu told, yes, now Krishna gave you mercy. Krishna gave you mercy. Now you can serve Swarup Damodar. Your name will be Swaruper Raghu. There is Raghunath Bhatta Goswami, another Raghunath, and for that he was Swaruper Raghu, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu engaged him to serve Swarup Damodar. engage him to serve Swarup Damodar. In this way, Raghunath Das Goswami, he left everything. His family is like example is giving. Brahmananda Saraswati is giving example is very nicely. There's even sometimes our stomach is so much stool and so much pressure. I have to go to the toilet, bathroom, and that time no place for go to bathroom and so much pressure. On the train, local train going when no toilet, no bathroom, and then on a station stop and immediately go bathroom, and that time I was very happy. And Raghunath Goswami, when he left everything like urine, like stool, he left everything. He left everything, he left his family, left his land, left his landlord. He has so much land, so much area, so much opulence, kingdom, everything. And he left like his stool, like his urine. We are passing the urine like urine. He left like that. That is Raghunath Das Goswami. After that, Raghunath Goswami went to Mahaprabhu. He is walking from Adi Saptagram, his house is Bengal, is Hooghly, nearby is Paniyati. After that, he started to walking, and 12 days he reached, only thinking Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he reached to the Uisha, Puri. He reached the Puri, and 12 days he is 3 times take some milk. 3 times take, and staying some in the Goshala. Where staying the cows, that Goshala is staying some Goshala's house night time, whole day walking, and night time is staying in on some Goshala, on forest, on jungle. In this way, 12 days he reached in Puri to Mahaprabhu. In this way, he has so much strong desire. He will serve. After that, he is staying. Puri, after that, Mahaprabhu left. Swarup Damodar left. After that, he became very sad. He wanted to suicide. And after that, he met with Vrindavan. He went to Vrindavan after Mahaprabhu demised and Swarup Damodar gone, they passed their body. After that, Raghunath went to Vrindavan and meet with Rup Sanatan, and he met with Rup Sanatan, and he is very happy. What I got from Mahaprabhu or Swarup Damodar, more than I got from Rup Sanatan. Aham Vyakti, Sukha Vyakti, Vyasa Vyakti, Na Vyakti Va. It is Aham Vyakti, Sukha Vyakti, Vyasa Vyakti, Na Vyakti. Edji Maharaj told that. Ami jani, I know. Shukdev jane. Shukdev knows. Vyasdev jante pare, he knows or not, I do not know. Vyasaveti Naveti. Who gave the mercy, who has composed the Srimad Bhagavatam? Shukdev Goswami. Maybe he does not know. Vyasdev Goswami, Vyasdev composed the Bhagavad, he does not know, but Shukadev knows. But Shukadev knows that. For that Mahaprabhu gave mercy to Rup Sanatan. And Rup Sanatan, and for the Raghunath Goswami told, what I got from Mahaprabhu and Swarup Damodar, more than I got from Rup Sanatan. And he is staying. You know that every year we are going to Vrindavan Parikrama and Govardhan Parikrama we are doing first time, and we are going Radhakund, and we can see his Bhajan Kutir and Samadhi in the bank of Radha. Das Goswami told, Nijo Nikote Basho Govardhan Uttar. Jamake to Govardhan, give me some place to stay in Govardhan. And he got that place in Govardhan. And staying and serving too much Vaishnava service, composed so many slokas, composed many things, he did that. Raghunath Das Goswami. For that, this is the clear things. And what is the mercy? Without Nityananda's mercy, without Gurudeva's mercy, we cannot reach to the proper place, to the Lord. We cannot go to the Lord without mercy from Nityananda. That is the main things. That is the main thing since and so many teachings. And Raghunath Das Goswami is his character when he was in Puri. When he was in Puri, sometimes in Jagannath Singodar, where is the lion gate, main gate, and he is standing for some prasadam. And Singodare Bhikkhavitti Besharo Achar. The Singodare he is thinking prasadam will come, somebody will give prasadam. It is like prostitute. And after that he left that. Sometimes Toilango Gabija Khaite na pare means sometimes the prasadam is selling in the Ananda Bazar in Jagannath Prasadam. After that 2-3 days that prasadam is rotten. Even the cows cannot eat. And Raghunath Das Goswami is washing that rice and with salt he is taking on time. On time Mahaprabhu wanted to take from him. That you are eating alone, you are not giving me. And Sri Damodar told Prabhu not to take. This is very, very rotten rice. You are not kind of that person, you will take this. And Sri Mahaprabhu told, no, I will take. He is taking alone, he is not giving, and very nice. In this way, Mahaprabhu is showing his affection to Raghunath Das Goswami. And Raghunath Das Goswami, when he is in the Puri, and his character is how much you will see that, Dainata, and if he saw one Vaishnava 10 times, and he 10 times he paying obeisance to him. In this is character. His 10 times he is paying obeisance to him. Does this. After that he is taking prasadam from Satre Mage Khaten, means where is somebody distributing prasadam, that time he is going there and taking something. In this way, sometimes his father heard that his son becoming like that. We have so much money, but that son is begging and he cannot tolerate his father. After that he started to send some money. He started to send some money like 400 mudra. It's too much money. 400 means now is 40 lakhs. 400 rupees. And what he is doing with that money? And he started to give. He started to prasadam. He distributed, he is giving Vaishnava Seva. He is giving Vaishnava Seva. He is giving Vaishnava Seva and giving Vaishnava Pranami, and he is becoming Vaishnava Seva and that. And Mahaprabhu does not like that. Tomorrow is giving class. giving class, tell class. Hello, hello করতে হবে না। হরে কৃষ্ণ। Hello, hello. And in this way,
Mahaprabhu didn't want to accept that.
yes, did not accept, yes. Mahaprabhu does not happy, he is not happy. Because he is thinking, if like this, everybody telling, all sadhu telling, when Raghunath will give Vaishnav Seva, because they will get prasadam, they will get the pranami. For that, and Mahaprabhu's, that kind of sound coming to Mahaprabhu's ears, and Mahaprabhu thinking, if he is doing like that, Pratishtha is coming. Pratishtha is coming, but it is not good for him. It is not good for him. For that, he understood Raghunath Goswami. And Bishoyer Anno Khaile Molin Hoy Mon, Molin Mone Na Hoy Kokhono Krishna Namo Grohon. It is, this money is coming from the Bishoyi, materialist people. And with that money you can get prasadam, and that is your mind, your heart is becoming dirty. And then Molin Mone Na Hoy, and then with dirty heart, proper Krishna Nam cannot be exist.
No les podía dejar, o sea, indirectamente a dejar.
In this way, he stopped this. He stopped his father not to send any money more. Not to send any money more. Because his pratishtha is coming, because his money is coming from his father is Bishoyi, and that money I am using for his own purpose, for Vaishnav Seva or other things, it is not good. For that Gurudev also on time telling, if temple is some brahmachari is living and he is bringing money from his father or parents, and he is using what he wants, what he like food, not taking prasadam properly in the temple, he is going outside taking some food here, there, and Gurudev told it is very bad, because he is bringing money from his family, and what he likes he is doing that. He is not taking prasadam. His devotion, it is not devotional activities, his devotion will lose and he will lost his devotion. That is Gurudev told on time. Because ego is coming. Oh, I am not using Gurudev's money, I am not taking his money, I am using my father's money. Understand? That kind of pratishtha is coming. Ego is coming. On time Gurudev told me. That is the very nice things I understood. In this way, we can understand without mercy from Gurudev, without mercy from Nityananda Prabhu, we cannot reach properly. We cannot reach to the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Lord Krishna. In this way, this festival for this is the meanings of these main things. Any other question from you? Today I am not giving long. Please tell today. Because tomorrow morning I have to go to Navadvip. I have some job there. Tell me, what is that? How are you everybody? Everybody is okay? Very nice to see you everybody. Okay. Srila Janardhan Maharaj, Dandavad.
Dandavad, how far is Panihati from Kolkata?
And very near Maharaj. 20 minutes car run. 20 minutes, half an hour. Half an hour is no jam, half an hour. Half an hour, no jam, half an hour. Is jam 1 hour. Festival today is last year you cannot reach properly. It is thousands and millions of people. Because the car you have to walking maybe 2 kilometers. Today no
also,
people, Maharaj. Ekdom no mela, nothing people, only opening.
Maharaj,
Yes.
today also Parvat Maharaj leave.
Oh, very sad day. Very sad. He is doing so much service. In Calcutta, he is doing collection. Still, his collection is going on. Last year, did Mahajogi Maharaj and Paribrajak Maharaj. And this year, Paribrajak Maharaj and Sajjan Maharaj did that collection. That receipt, old receipt book have. And they are telling Parvat Maharaj no more. Because is Duraragya Bedhi, like cancer disease coming. But I am very sad and Gurudev is also very happy. I am also very happy. Gurudev also was very happy his service mood and his lot of collection doing, not taking car, metro, bus, is going to office and making collection, donation for Gaur Purnima. Every year he is doing. Only 2 years last year and this year he could not do that. For that, last year he told Maharaj, I was very sick, I cannot come. And then, what can I do? It's Krishna's wills. Krishna take to somebody who can stop him. His service is finished and Krishna take him to that place, his place. We have to remind always his service. We have to remind always his service, and I am very happy always he is coming. Before Gaur Purnima he is always present. Is Nityananda's appearance day. Nityananda's appearance day and staying with me in Ekochakra and staying in Sevak Bhavan, Kolkata and doing some collection on Gaur Purnima time, joining the program. Okay, what can I do? This is everybody has to leave from this world. But how many days we will stay in this world? We have to serve to the Lord, serve to the Vaishnava, serve to the devotees, and give love and affection to the devotees. Give is everything have to give. You have to give your everything for the service for the Lord. Service for your Guru. We have to give everything for service for our Gurudev. Heart, mind, body, speech, everything we have to give for the service for the devotees and service for the Gurudev. In this way, we have to continue our spiritual life. And in any other question from anybody? Prabhu, any other question from anybody? And Raghav Pandit house also. And Raghav Pandit, that day Sridharadim also, Raghav Pandit came. The festival is running. Nityananda taking prasadam. And Raghav Pandit told, oh Prabhu, I cook so many things for you. Who will take that? Nityananda told, yes, I'll take night time that. I'll take night time. Now Raghunath is making festival, I will be here. And I can go your house night time, evening time and taking prasadam there. And Raghav Pandit, sister Damayanti, he is making so many achar. So many kashundi, so many achar. There are also devotees, so many sending to me. Achar means, what is called? Pickle. She made various kind of pickles, making for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Raghav Pandit is making on box, and Raghav Pandit on his head, he is carrying up to Puri and walking with Nityananda Prabhu, with Shivananda Pandit, Shivananda Sen. In this way is going Puri. Ratha Yatra time always reach Raghavar Jhali. And also when I am going to Gambhira, this always going to Jagannath Puri, going to Gambhira, and I am also getting Raghav Pandit Prasadam. They are coming from Navadvip. Panihati, sorry. In this way. Okay, any other question from anybody? And I am praying to the Nityananda Prabhu today for everybody. Our devotee, everybody will save and secure. Because everybody is too much suffering. Today I saw 2,500 our Sahojatri, means we lost in Brazil and Mexico. 2,500 people expired today in Brazil and Mexico today. India also every day 300, 400 expire. And now spreading too much that virus to Mexico and Brazil. Also India also day by day increasing. We have to everybody careful with our health, who is very old and disease, who is not so much immunity power. They have to be always careful with this situation because it's too much increasing this disease. But by the mercy of Gurudev, we cannot stop to the service. We have to go there, here, there. What can I do? Today also some devotees' house went, but keeping distance from them. Understand? Try to keep distance. Distance not from heart, not from mind. Distance from the body. In this way. What is the question from anybody?
Whereas Dandavat, how was the Panihati today? There was any festival, any gathering there?
No, nothing else.
Nothing there?
No. Ekdom, now very not on 2% people are nothing else. Even Raghav Pandit house is locked. ISKCON is the temple there, they are locked from outside. Everything, but we went other door to inside to the Raghav Pandit house, and that where sitting, Nityananda was sitting under the banyan tree, and we pay obeisance the banyan tree is there.
We are missing that, Chida Doi you serve Maharaj.
But we make festival in Damdam Park. And today I went to some devotee's house, they also make Siradadi Mahotsav. Mango, flat rice, everything they make. Everybody, our devotee, everybody did that. Our devotee is making morning or noon time offering, and all temple is offering. All temple is offering the bhog, Siradodi, mango, yagot, everything. Everything they did that. All temple they did. Okay, any other question? Question from anybody?
Maharaj, I was remembering while Gurudev used to send with you to Panihati festival, then Gurudev used to say to us in the lecture, be careful, there are many Sahajyas there.
What is the problem? We are we are going to preaching there, the Sahajiya cannot attack us. We can make Sahajiya to as a proper guide, giving guidance. Sahajiya cannot attack us. Yes, of course, there are so many Sahajiya is coming, but we are not involved by Sahajiya. We are not involved by Sahajiya. We are not. We are using Sahajiya to our service. Understand? We will use Sahajiya our service. For our service. Any other question from anybody?
Dandavas, Pranam Gurudev, I have a question.
Who?
Murali
Murali
Murali Mohan.
Mohan. From where?
Dandavas.
He's living in Mexico, but he's from
Eh,
Venezuela.
can I speak in Spanish, please?
Yes, yes.
En el Sri Upadesh 3, ¿sí? Menciona pensar que no hay temor de caer en la vida de Grihastra y dejar que el fuego del sacrificio de la vida matrimonial se apague no es un ejemplo de vida espiritual. O si alguien vive en su casa y con la pretensión de ser miembro de la familia de Krishna, crea sirvientes y sirvientas para Krishna. ¿Qué significa crea sirvientes y sirvientas para Krishna?
¿Puedes más o menos indicarnos la página del libro para ubicárselo a él en el libro?
107, la que está en español, 107.
¿El de inglés? ¿Qué sería más? Telling services.
AC running, no? Fan running. Huh? What? What do you like? Key, what is this?
Upadesh 3.
What is the asking?
Okay, there, it's saying that some part about the Grihastra life. If we are taking the Grihastra life, we are with the danger of become too much attachment to the Grihastra life. So what is the procedure to not get so much attachment to that life, family life?
Okay, this question is the Grihastha life, household life, yes. That is question I have. That is part chapter 3rd. That is Upadesh 3, yes. Guidance 3rd. Grihastha life is Grihastha life, and how you make your Grihastha life, that is you have to understand that. For us, can English translate? I know, English can translate. The Grihastha life, actually, you can stay in the householder life. You can stay in the house, but always that house will be the place for practice. Tell?
He's doing the translation.
Practice is for practicing Krishna consciousness. Because I am seeing that so many householder devotee, they are following very nice. Even our temple life, they are not following properly. Because they are becoming lazy. Because they are not coming to the Mangala Aruti. But householder life, they are staying on man or on husband, and they are making to the Mangala Aruti himself, or she or he, he is making Aruti, she is singing. And after that offering the bhog, everything running on properly. Sometimes temple, many sannyasi also I saw, they are not coming Mangala Aruti, they are sleeping. They are not coming, going to the evening Aruti, they are sleeping. But householder life, his wife will be like, I told many times that things about Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj. On devotee came to Gorkishore Das Babaji Maharaj, he told Prabhu, I became the householder life. I became the householder life, I married. And he told, yes, no problem, but you will working, you will make market, and your wife will cook, you will offer, and that prasadam, first your wife will take, and you will take her remunance. Then you will take that, you will understand that your wife is not for enjoying for your wife. Your wife is servitor of the Lord. Then you are the servant of your wife. Not thinking, I am working, I am giving money, this kind of things. And unusual sex, not do that. Understand? The husband and wife is staying, their sex making for only for baby, not for others. Not for other things. Only for baby. In this way, so many things are telling. Srila Bhaktichandra Saraswati Thakur and Gorkishore Das Babaji Maharaj, is many things he is telling. And he is telling, Gorkishore Das Babaji Maharaj, on time he is staying. Babaji Maharaj is staying in Navadvip, coming from Vrindavan, and he is staying in the bathroom. And some people telling, Prabhu, you are staying in the bathroom. You are not getting a smell, bad smell. That bad, Govinda that time told, I can tolerate that bad smell, but I cannot tolerate the Somas Pocha Grihasto, means who is Somas Griho Medi. Grihasto and Griho Medi, who is fully attachment with his family. Mani haram, mani aram take, mani his wife, he is making comfortable life, enjoying with his family, with his grandchild, granddaughter, grand things. He is like this and like this, enjoying with this. Understand? In this way, and 70, 80 years age, again giving merit. Understand? I saw so many foreign devotees also. They are 70 years old, 80 years old. They are going die next day, and today he is married. And I saw so many. And there are married who he is 80 years, his wife is like 15 years, 18 years, 20 years, like his granddaughter. Understand? I saw many things. This is called, this is not proper grihasto. There are griho medi. There are too much attachment with his family. Understand? Too much attachment. You are living in the house, but you are always thinking for Krishna, thinking for the temple, thinking for the Gurudev. And Jedino Grihete Bhajano Dekhi Grihete Goloko Bhai. Your house is Goloko Vrindavan, because every day you are worshipping deities. Every day you are offering the bhogs. Every day your wife is cooking for the deities. Every day you are offering the bhog. Every day you are chanting. Every day you are doing kirtan. And that is not house, that is Goloko Vrindavan. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur told that. But your house is only for enjoyment, then that is the house. That is the Griho Medi. I am telling very strong things, but it is somebody does not like maybe. Many of them like them because I am directly speaking. Any other question?
Gurudev, I have a question. Jagannath Ballabha Das.
Jagannath Ballabh from Nishingapalli.
Yes, Gurudev.
Yes.
You were talking about the pride of Raghunath Das Swami.
Right. Ahankar.
I'm asking if the maybe some pride can come when maybe we become very good player Mridanga or very good puja, like very good preacher. So that kind of pride is good. Or?
That kind of pride is also not good, but somebody can respect. Why pride will come? If somebody is doing pride, I am doing good kirtan, I can speak proper. It is not. It is pride. Yes. I am nothing. I cannot. I do. I cannot do nothing. I am simple. I am some food dust of the devotees. I am the food dust of the devotees. Understand? Sometimes taking sannyas and Gurudev telling, today you are becoming the servant of everybody. You understand? When giving sannyas, Gurudev telling, you are becoming the servant of everybody. But we are thinking, I became sannyasi and all the brahmachari and householder will serve me. Understand? That ego coming. Understand? We cannot do anything. Everybody has ego. I know how to play mridanga properly. I know so many good songs. I know so many good lecture. I know so many siddhanto. I became big pandit. Understand? It is going. It is symptom of the fall down. This is the symptom of the fall down.
Dhanavat Maharaj, I have one question.
Oh, Krishna Keshav.
How did Nanda Prabhu, Dhanavat Maharaj, how did Nityananda Prabhu call Chaitanya Dev to celebration? Through meditation, he had some time feeding each
Yes,
other.
of course. Nityananda is calling to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Jagannath Goswami making festival. Chaitanya Prabhu must come. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came there, see the festival. But who is the fortunate soul? He can see that. But our eyes is very full of dust. Full of dust, our eyes. अप्राकृत वस्तु न है प्राकृत गोचर when निर्मल चित्त आखि अगोचर when that eyes will be clean, then we can see everything. Because our eyes is too much full of dust of Maya. When you are offering the bhog, you also remembering Gurudev, remembering Krishna, remembering Gauranitai, remembering Lord, and offering, they also must come and taking the prasadam. Taking that offering, what you are giving, with heart and soul. With heart you are giving everything, Krishna taking. And that is you can take, and with the tulsi leaves you can give and you can take the prasad seva. Prasad seva korite hoy sakolo propancha joy. Pancha rog chole jay. 5 diseases can be removed by taking the prasadam. Any other question? Today's Russian devotees here. Amalandu Prabhu.
Yaya Sweet, David Dasi de Colombia. La
Colombia.
pregunta en español. ¿Qué es la devoción?
What is devotion? She's asking what is devotion?
What is the devotion?
Yes.
You did not read the books, that is the question is there, the answer is there. Devotion means attachment. Too much attachment. Attachment with proper things. What devotion? Devotion for Krishna? Or devotion for your family? Devotion for your child? Devotion for your mother? Devotion for your husband? devotion for your guru. Understand? That is love and affection. That is the love and affection with Krishna consciousness. That is called Krishna Bhakti. That is called Krishna Bhakti. শ্রদ্ধা শব্দে বিশ্বাস করে সুদৃঢ় নিশ্চয়, কৃষ্ণে ভক্তি কইলে সর্ব কর্মকৃত হয়। Faith, strongest faith you have, the Krishna will protect me, Krishna will take care of me, Krishna is taking care of me. That is Sharanagati, you write everything, you read everything. শ্রদ্ধা শব্দে বিশ্বাস করে সুদৃঢ় নিশ্চয়, সুদৃঢ় means strongest desire. সুদৃঢ় নিশ্চয় কৃষ্ণে ভক্তি কইলে সর্ব কর্মকৃত হয়। If you worshiping Krishna, you are worshiping everything. You are worshiping the devotees of Krishna, you are worshiping everything. Okay.
Maharaj, Dhanavad Maharaj.
Yes.
Maharaj, I have a small query, Maharaj. There are, some devotees we see in Chaitanya Leela, they are more attracted to Nityananda Prabhu. They are always staying with Nityananda Prabhu. But Raghunath Das Goswami seems to be more attracted to Mahaprabhu. And he is praying to Nityananda Prabhu, I want to go to Mahaprabhu. So Nityananda Prabhu, always happy in distributing, Mahaprabhu and his message. And his associates are also doing the same. But Mahaprabhu's nature seems to be a little different. He is more restrictive and strict. Can you explain about these two types of nature?
Actually, Nityananda Prabhu, when Mahaprabhu told you preach in Bengal about Lord Krishna, and Nityananda knows who is the Lord Krishna, who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. রাধা ভাবে বিভাবিত, মিস কিবা সদৃশ বাহন এবার আধয়া, অর্থাৎ রাধারানী আমার নাম করে এত কেন কাঁদে? হোয়াই রাধারানী ইজ ক্রাইং ফর মি? Why he is chanting, she is chanting my name? What kind of taste she is getting? That's I want to do that. I need that. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that, and Krishna came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to get that taste. And that is separation. Mahaprabhu's first times in Puri, in Gambhira, with Rai Ramananda and Swarup Damodar, that is last Chaitanya Charitamrita is telling is fully separation, fully Viraha Lila. And Nityananda Prabhu thinking, if I is telling about Krishna, and people cannot understand that. People will Krishna's Leela, they are Bengal people, Krishna's Leela, they are joking with Krishna's Leela. Because they cannot understand. They do not know what is the Parokiya Prem. What is the Parokiya Bhav? Parokiya Bhave Jaha Brajate Prachar. They do not know Parokiya Bhav. That Bengal people are there too much Sahajiyajam. And there are Parokiya Bhav, they do not like that, thinking Krishna is doing wrong things doing. For that Chaitanya Nityananda Prabhu does not preaching about Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu, he preaching about Krishna, he preaching about Mahaprabhu. He left his family, he went to the sannyas life, and proper guidance, proper acharan means proper practicing. He is as a sannyasi, what kind of sannyasi's life, he is showing that to the people. And he is coming as a devotee, and he is chanting, dancing, laughing, crying. In this way he is doing. And then Nityananda Prabhu is thinking, Nityananda Prabhu is, for that he told, Kaho Gaurango, Laho Gaurango, Kaho Gaurangar Namre, Jano Gaurango Bhaje, Sejano Hai Amar Pranre. Who is worshipping the Gaurango, chant the glorification of Gaurango, teach the glorification of Gaurango, learn to the glorification of Gaurango, and who is chanting the glorification of Gaurango, he is my heart. In this way, Nityananda Prabhu is more. Nityananda Prabhu is more doing that, more doing about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Understand? In this way, but we are also telling Siddhar Maharaj's time, Param Guru Maharaj, what he told. Last moments he did not. Last moments he did not chanting his mala, Japu mala. He is only chanting Dayal Nitai, Dayal Nitai. He is chanting Nitai Gaur Haribol, Dayal Nitai. In this way, our life also like that. Without our Gurudev, we cannot think that. Our life also like this. We are not. We are devotee of Nityananda. We are devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna himself told, but some of people are doing, Krishna. Yes, that day you are also asking the Baladev Vidyabhushan and Siddha Janardhan Maharaj also explaining very nice. And there are not feelings. There are hymns. They are themselves. They are worshipping only Krishna. Mirabai also thinking she got already Krishna. Mirabai thinking I got Krishna. Even Brajagopi did not tell I did not get Krishna. In Brajagopi told I did not get Krishna. Even Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Saraswati Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they are all crying for Krishna. Everything they are Krishna. Brajagopi told I did not get Krishna Prem. But Mirabai told I got Krishna Prem. Mirabai told for that we are not worshipping Mirabai. Mirabai telling I am only worshipping Krishna, and we are not that. We are worshipping to Radha Krishnas. And Radha Krishna's combined form is Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And Gauranga Mahaprabhu, we are worshipping to Gauranga Mahaprabhu, we have to follow Nityananda Prabhu. We have to follow Nityananda who is worshipping Gauranga, but who is not worshipping Nityananda Prabhu. That is Ardha Kukkuti. You heard that Ardha Kukkuti? That is telling, that is Vrindavan ki, what is called Keshadas Kaviraj Goswami. His brother is worshipping his man on coming Gurunava Mishra, and he is worshipping. Gurunava Mishra is only not giving any respect to Ramdas Minu Niketan. Not giving respect to him, and he is very shocked about that. And Keshadas Kaviraj Goswami is fighting his brother, and on night time, and Nityananda Prabhu is calling, you come to Vrindavan, or Nathajiyo Jamodpur, you not to stay Jamodpur, you come to Vrindavan. And that is Keshadas Kaviraj Goswami went to Vrindavan. And he got, and he read, composed Chaitanya Charitamrita. Any other question?
Hare Krishna
¿Ah?
Nanda Vasila Cheredev, sí tengo una pregunta. ¿Qué servicio nos ayuda a ser más humildes para poder pedir perdón por las ofensas conscientes e inconscientes hacia Gurudev y los Vaishnavas?
What is the service will give us so much humility in order to ask for the forgiveness of the offense we are committing to Gurudev?
Huh?
What is the service will give us humility, so then we can ask for forgiveness for the offense we are committing.
Your Seva Aparadh can be done, but we must stay within service. We have to stay within service, we have to always service. But Seva Aparadh coming, some offense will come through service, then we will leave the service, we will not do the service. That is not good. That is not good. And humility coming through service. Humanity coming through service, that is the main things. But sometimes, if we are doing puja, sometimes ego is coming. Understand? And so if I become the temple manager, and that ego is coming, I am the manager. Understand? This kind of ego is coming. And if I became the guru, that is more ego is coming. Understand? Too much difficulty. For that we have to always practicing humility, tolerance and give honor to others. Through the service. Through the service, Even you can giving the cleaning the toilet. I am remembering Siddhanti Maharaj. I am remembering his service. Siddhanti Maharaj on year. Every year he is coming to the Navadvip before Gaur Purnima, and his service is cleaning the all toilet. Himself wearing the gamcha and cleaning the toilet. And on time he came the late, and I arranged some sweeper, and sweeper did that service. And he became very angry. And then he told, okay, give some money for buying some phenyl and cleaning things, toilet cleaning. And he went to the market and buying some phenyl cleaning. Again, all paikhana he again cleaning. Clean that. All toilet he clean. He is the Sannyasi Siddhanti Maharaj, and always is company of Gurudev's world tour. Siddhanti Maharaj is doing that. Understand? Rishabdev Prabhu, Gurudev told, I was living in his house, and he gave all house, and he is, when I am going to bathroom, and he is sleeping in my door. And now I am telling, oh, what happened? He is sleeping in the door. He gave his all room. In this way, so many example is Gurudev telling. Gurudev telling about the quality and qualification of the devotees. Gurudev always telling that. But we are very fallen soul, we have no any quality and qualification. But Gurudev engaging me to serve you all, and I am trying to do that. I am trying to do that, and until my death I will try to do that. Any other question? All coming from South America, no other question getting chance from Singapore, Russia, America, London, all question coming from South America.
From America, Ajay Prabhu is asking Maharaj.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dhanavad Pranam.
Hari Bol.
Hare Bol. I am attending Bhakti Madhavpuri Maharaj class, and this is my first class, Prabhuji. This first time having your darshan live. Thank you very much. And I wanted to ask question, how to develop love for Krishna daily, and also detachment. How to form detachment and develop love for Krishna daily, on a daily basis. How to increment my love for Krishna on a daily basis, regular practice.
Of course, you have to practice. It is coming through practice. It is coming through practice. Coming from practice, take shelter. Take shelter and come also practicing. Practice makes perfect. Then attachment will come. Attachment will come when some baby is coming in your family. Then you are slowly you are giving affection to me, affection to him or her, and too much attachment coming. Like you have in your deity Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu, that you are serving that way. That way, that affection and attachment will come. On time, on Pujari from Navadvip, he wanted to go to Vrindavan and came to Gurudev, permission to Gurudev. Gurudev, can I go to Vrindavan Parikrama? And Gurudev told him, that you are going to Vrindavan, and who will take care of your baby? Who will take care of your baby? Somebody arrangement to take care of your baby. Baby means Radha Krishna Mahaprabhu. He told Pujari. In this way, practice makes perfect. Proper practice necessary. Truly practice and practice, everyday attachment with service, and tonight you are thinking tomorrow what service you will do. Tomorrow you will do more better. Today what you do, you will do better more. That thinking night, then you will get chance. You will get attachment, proper attachment to the for service, for Krishna.
Dandavat pranams, Gurudev. Dandavat pranam, all devotees. Mi pregunta es, ¿cuál es la importancia de cantar el santo nombre en la calle? Sé que ahorita no se puede, ¿no? ¿Cuál es la importancia de cantar el santo nombre en la calle y cuál es la manera apropiada de hacerlo? Gracias.
Who is that?
This is Arjun Krishnan from Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
It's asking what is the importance to chant the holy name in the street. Now we cannot do that, but what is the importance to do that?
Why?
Harinam Sankirtan.
Why?
What is the importance?
Why? Because it is importance, some people will come. A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj Srila Prabhupada, he went to America alone and he is under the tree, he is chanting with Kartal. And some hippie will come to him and he is preaching to them. When you go to the street for Kirtan and who is listening, who is joking, পাঠ করছি এখন পরে ফোন করবেন পাঠ করছি পরে ফোন করবেন His in this way you are sending the kirtan, some trees, some kind of birds, some kind of pigeons, they are listening the kirtan, that sound is going, sound vibration, shabda tarang is going to his ear. That is useful for them. Useful for them. I saw when I make the street Sankirtan in Russia, and then so many pagal came to join us, and after that they came with us in the bus, in the temple, and we are preaching, and after that they are becoming the devotee. Any other?
No.
That is Lakshmi. Krishna Kishore, I heard Lakshmikant is sick.
Yes, well, not sick, but she had an accident. She fell over while trying to run to the door to answer the door, and she fell and slipped. So
Now she is
she
okay?
has a sore head. She has sore head, but she's okay.
She is okay.
She's okay. Little sore. She fell, hurt her back and her head.
And that time she is vomiting?
No, she's not.
Then no problem. Then no problem. Not necessary MRI. Today where is Ravindra Krishna? Jayavardhan.
Dandavad Maharaj.
How are you, Mahalakshmi?
Dandavad Maharaj.
Very nice.
How are you, Maharaj?
I am fine.
Very nice.
I am fine.
Yes, Maharaj. Yes.
Ravindra Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, Maharaj.
That man Paresh, he also helped me something.
Who,
That
Maharaj?
Paresh Sadhukha.
Yes, he's a very nice Maharaj.
Yes, he's very nice. He helped me.
Okay. I will
Yes.
call him and thank him.
Okay, you can tell him. The Maharaj
Yes.
telling that you help.
Okay, Maharaj. I will call him and thank him. Thank him.
Okay, good.
Son in Singapore.
Good. Yes, his son and his wife is Singapore.
Yes, Maharaj.
Yes. You can phone
I
call
know.
him and you tell Maharaj is very happy to you. Okay?
Okay, Maharaj. I will say that to him.
Okay, thank you.
Very good.
Dandavad.
Dhanyavad.
And where is the Amalendu? Amalendu from Russia. Gaurango. Dandavad Amalendu Prabhu. Gaurango is here. Gaurangi is there. Gaurangi. You are going to now is quarantine in your house?
Yes, yes.
Hmm. It is Koloddeep. Koloddeep is very nice devotee, nice singer. Gautam Krishna. Gautam Krishna from Green Street. There is a Bindu Madhav.
This is my daughter.
Eh?
My daughter, devotee.
Daughter.
Yeah. She's your devotee as well. She got first initiation.
Oh, I am
Getting
thinking.
ready for second initiation.
I am thinking she is your mother.
No, she's my mother. Question আছে?
Very nice.
Dandava Maharaj.
Who?
Dandava Maharaj. This is from New York.
Huh? Dandavad, Dandavad, Haribol. Haribol, Hare Krishna. How are you?
Good.
Good, very nice, very nice. Very nice.
Dandava Maharaj.
Dandavad.
From New York.
Huh? That's all? Dayal Chand. Chand.
Thank you. This is me, Dayal Chand.
Dayal Chand, yes. Very nice.
The mercy to hear your voice.
Huh? Oh, Joy Kumar is there.
The mercy to hear your voice.
Joy Kumar.
Yes.
Charuwala. Where is Charuwala?
That is fine, Maharaj.
And
Dandavad Pranam.
Dandavad.
How are you?
I am fine. I am.
Please give me some
I am.
mercy.
I am thinking for Rosam.
Oh, please, Maharaj. Maharaj, for that you have to bless me to come there.
Your son is there, very big now, becoming old man. Spectacles.
Please bless us, Maharaj.
Yes, yes. Krishna bless you.
Jai.
Oh. Okay. Any other question? Krishna Chaitanya, Krishna Kinkar, Krishna Kinkar. How are you, Prabhu? South Africa. Dandavad, Dandavad. Very nice to see you.
You as well, brother. Nice to see your beautiful, sweet face.
Oh, Ranjana is there. Ranjana. How are you, Ranjana? Nepal. Thank you. Dandavad. I'm fine. How is your brother?
He is also fine, Gurudev.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Other from Mauritius? Anybody from Mauritius? Dandavad, Dandavad.
How are you, Maharaj?
I'm fine. I'm fine. So that is Madhavi. Madhavi, South Africa, Madhavi. How are you, Madhavi? Everything fine?
How are you, Maharaj?
I'm fine.
Very good.
Everything okay?
Yes, Maharaj. Everything is good.
Okay. Satya Sundari from Mauritius. Mahalakshmi. Dayal Nitai. Ishani. Damodar Prabhu Dandavad from Brazil. Gauranga. Dandavad Gauranga. Dandavad Damodar Prabhu. ¿Cómo estás? Obrigado.
Dandavad Maharaj.
Dandavad. Ishani.
Dandavad Maharaj. I'm so happy to hear your voice. Dandavad.
Okay. Jayavardhan and Vaishnavi. Your all two son is now sleeping. Sleeping.
Your son is sleeping. He said
Damodar, his mother.
Yes.
Damodar, how are you? Damodar from Colombia, how are you? Dhanyavad.
Happy to see you.
Okay, very nice.
Dandavad Maharaj.
Dandavad.
Happy to hear from you. Dandavad Maharaj.
Dandavad, Ishani. Ishani, Dandavad. Saraswati. How are you, Saraswati? Where is Birchandra?
He's working now, Maharaj.
Working.
He's a
Godadhar?
working
Godai?
Gadadhar is the fruit offering now, the puja.
Ah.
Now it's the fruit offering time.
Oh, you are in the temple.
I am in the temple now, yes.
Okay.
He's doing the fruit offering.
Okay.
And Virachandra is working now. It's
Good.
a working day.
Yes. His wife is okay? Virchandra's wife, what is the name?
Radharani.
Radharani. Yes. He has only one son. What is the name? Two, yes. Radharani and? Balaram and Binodini. Okay. Gadadhar is offering the bhog. Okay, good. In the Akinchan Gochor Das, who is that man?
From Colombia.
He is Mostas man. Akinchan Gochor. Gauranga. Yeah, Dandavad. Gauranga from Brazil. You are sleeping too much?
Dandavad Gurudev. Yes.
Too much sleeping, huh?
Too much sleeping, yes.
Too much sleeping not good. Read the books.
Yes.
Read books and holy name. What is the problem? Why necessary sleeping? Ahar, nidra, bhayo, moidunancho. Too much eating, too much sleeping. Too much afraid, too much sex, not good.
No, just eating and sleeping. No.
Eating and sleeping, not good.
Not good. I will read more, Gurudev.
Yes. Ramratan from Malaysia.
Dandavat Pranam Gurudev.
How are you, Guru? How are you?
Dandavat, I'm good, Gurudev.
And your wife is okay? Going to school? No.
No, Gurudev. Still lockdown.
Still lockdown. And your 3 sons?
Yeah, all locked down. Nobody is going to school, Gurudev. But they got online classes, Gurudev.
Okay. They are practicing, playing mridanga and kirtan?
Yes, sometimes.
Okay. And what is the news of that boy and son, daughter? What is the... Rama, and what is the name?
Revati Nandan.
Revati Nandan.
Yes, they are fine, Gurudev. They are okay.
Where
Every
they are,
day Revati Nandan comes.
where they are staying?
They are staying near the temple, Gurudev.
Good. And Revati is working?
Yes, Gurudev is working. And every day he comes to the temple. After work, he comes, do some seva, and then we have evening class. Then after prasad, he goes back.
Class. Yes. And Rama Devi his sister is Rama, huh?
Yes, Gurudev. Also working,
Okay.
Gurudev, whenever she is.
প্রচার না ক্লাস দিচ্ছে বল
Maharaj, tomorrow is the Snan Yatra of Jagannath.
108 pot of water will come, Jagannath will come, and this Ananda Bazar, and giving bathing. Who is that? Okay. Okay. Madhusanda.
Aquí estoy, Maharaj. Dandavat.
Dandavat.
No, that's been Mexican Madhuchanda.
¿Me escucha? Soy Madhuchanda de Veracruz.
This is, what is the name?
This is Madhuchanda from Veracruz.
Veracruz. Where are you now?
¿Me escucha, Maharaj?
I know Mexico, Veracruz.
Yes.
She's asking if you have that. Is you here? What did you say?
Yes.
We cannot see you. No te vemos.
I did not see you. Where are you now? I cannot see you.
A ver. ¿Por qué no? Aquí, ya pude. Dandavat, Maharaj.
Dandavat. I am very nice. How is Arjun?
Muy bien. Va a
Okay.
tener ya su bebé.
Okay.
The baby that's in Veracruz.
Arjun. Oh, Arjun no. Arjun not baby. His wife is baby. Dandavat. Dandavat. Haribol. Very nice to see you all. Kanupriya Didi, how are you? Kanupriya.
Dandavat, Maharaj.
Dandavat. I'm very happy.
I want to introduce you to Phil Mataji, my friend.
Okay.
Dear devotee.
Okay.
Hoping to play.
Very nice. Very nice to see her. Aditi Rani. Is Aditi? Aditi, mother of Guru. How are you?
Fine, and you?
I am fine. And where is Kanta Krishna?
Está por ahora en la cuarentena en mi casa.
En cuarentena.
En Perú.
Okay.
Lima, Perú.
Okay.
Feliz de verlo.
Very nice. Okay. Thank you so much for everybody. Very happy Sunday will meet with me. Again Sunday will meet. Okay. Tomorrow I am going to Navadvip and Sunday morning coming. Okay. Dandavad. Krishna bless you. Nityananda bless you. All the Dandavad Srila Janardhan Maharaj. Dandavad Srila Janardhan Maharaj. Dandavad. Dandavad Shanta Maharaj. Dandavad. Where is Muni Maharaj? Shanta Maharaj, where is Muni Maharaj? Oh, what is his name? Shankar Prabhu, Jai Shankar. Jai Shankar. Jai Shankar, how are you? Dandavad. Dandavad. Where is Muni Maharaj? You are worshipping diabetes? No, I am thinking Muni Maharaj is worshipping diabetes. Was don't worry in diabetic. I have diabetic is more than 20 years. 25 years, no problem. If you control always, exercise, take care of the food, then diabetic no problem.
Yes, Maharaj.
Okay, Dandavad to everybody. Krishna all bless you. Dandavad. I am very happy to see you all. Yes. Athajo Ratna. Dandavad Athajo Ratna. Nimai Pandit. Jayanti. Jayanti, how are you? Dandavad. Where is Krishna? Krishna ki? Kumar. Krishna Kumar is spent now. Dandavad. Dandavad. Jai Gurudev. This Gaurango. Gaurango, you are cooking.
Yes, Maharaj, I'm cooking.
Cooking for whom?
For Gurudev, I'm going to take the prasad.
Okay. Okay. Jai Srila. Jai Vishnupad Jagat Guru Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Dev Goswami Maharaj ki Jai. Om Vishnu Jagat Bhakti Kasida Dev Goswami Maharaj ki Jai. Bhagavan Srila Bhakti Sasi Thakur Prabhupada ki Jai. All the assembled devotees ki Jai. All the worldwide devotees ki Jai. Jai Srila Janardhan Maharaj ki Jai. Jai all the assembled Sannyasi Vrindo ki Jai. All the worldwide devotees ki Jai. Jai Sri Raghunath Das Goswami Prabhu ki Jai. Swami Sriman Nityananda Prabhu Sriman Mahaprabhu ki Jai. Jai Raghunath Goswami Danda Mahotsav ki Jai. Jai Harinam Sankirtan ki Jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande. Hari Hari Bol. Dandavad.
Jai Vishupal Paramahansa Srimad Srila Bhakti Namaracharya Maharaj ki Jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande.
Dandavad. Jai Shankar. Dandavad. Dandavad to everybody. Very nice. Very nice. South Africa, Govindo Das. Govindo Das, South Africa. How are you? How are you? Where are you staying? Where are you staying now?
In Durban, South Africa.
Durban, okay. Durban. Sometimes you meet with Shamoli.
Yes, Maharaj. Sometimes we meet with Shamoli and Mohini and Madhavi.
Yes, Shamoli.
Shabali Didi, yes.
Yes, you tell. I am very happy. Okay.
Yes, I will, Maharaj. I will.
Okay. Dandavad.
Dandavad, Pranam, Maharaj.
Dandavad. Dandavad. Thank you all.
Dandavad.
How many people join?
Almost 200. Well, 150, 160. Véame. ¿De quién? Ah, de